So this headlight's currently on low beam. So low, high beam. How do I know that? So the one that's off is obviously this one right here. This one. And the one that's on the low beam is the red one. And then the other one is off, completely off. So none of them works, which is why I'm changing out the light bulbs on them. But I'm gonna be changing them to a LED light bulb. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and disconnect this to the light bulb. Or to make it easier for you, take it off completely. And it should look like this. And then this thing has a little clip, so go ahead and disconnect it from there. So just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the new ones. And just like that. What I like to do is double check that it works. So you guys clearly just saw that it was on. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this back inside. And if you guys can't take it off from the little clip that it has, I have a flathead screwdriver right here. You're gonna go ahead and put it, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's gonna be inside the little clip right here. Just lift it up. Watch, you guys, it won't pull out, right? So just go ahead and lift it up a little bit. Just like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab your other side, the other piece. And make sure this little hole right here connects to this little thing right here. This is the male and this is the female. Make sure it clips. Make sure it's not easy to pull out. Just like that. And you can go ahead and put this LED bolt right into its location. And just like that. And boom. We're gonna go ahead and test out the headlights right now. And if you guys think this video was helpful, go ahead and drop a comment or drop a like. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment, and I will try to get back with you guys. And hopefully this was helpful.